Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Take in what resonates and let go of the rest. 10 of Pentacles. You're going to be financially set. And what Lewis Hay card do we need today? I have the perfect living space. I see myself living in a wonderful place. It fulfills all my needs and desires. It's in a beautiful location and at a price I can afford. Oh, let's look at the art. Let every gesture show the world your blooming, fragrant heart. And the last card for today, before we go to our messages. Number 26, the waters of the planet bless the rain, rivers, and oceans. How will you add water to your life today? Number 14, health and healing. Tune into your divine blueprint. What's healing in your life today? All right, let's try this quote box today. Crying is your nervous system resetting itself. Cry anytime you feel the urge, and you will feel better. Patience. Patience is required at this moment. You may feel that things are not moving as fast as you'd like, yet there is a lot going on energetically. The current situation causing concern is evolving positively. Let go and have patience. You'll eventually realize that this whole event was in fact a blessing. All is perfect. Trust you are eternally loved and guided. If you and I are having a single thought of violence or hatred against anyone in this world at this moment, we are contributing to the wounding of the world. Just because you've gotten used to the feeling of someone treating you poorly doesn't make it right. You deserve more. And the last one today. Magic is alive in your life. What you need to be success will manifest. If you believe it, you can do it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.